Hello, everyone! Today, BeHealth is very happy to bring you a very familiar topic, but also causes a lot of discomfort in daily life. That is sinusitis. Sinusitis seems to be a simple disease, but if not treated early, it can lead to complications affecting vision, causing blindness, and even meningitis. Let's learn about effective remedies for chronic sinusitis with simple home remedies that you may not know. Watch the whole video. The first remedy is ginger combined with shallots. Ginger and shallots are two natural ingredients that have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial effects and help reduce the symptoms of sinusitis. Ginger contains gingerol compounds that help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated nasal mucosa. Shallots contain quercetin and allicin, which help kill sinus bacteria. Here are two ways to use ginger and shallots to support the treatment of sinusitis that you can do at home. Method 1. Steam with ginger and shallots. Ingredients include 1 fresh ginger root, 3 shallots, and 1 liter of water. How to do it? Wash the fresh ginger, then crush or slice it. For shallots, you need to peel and cut them as small as possible. Next, put both in a pot of water and boil for about 10 minutes. When the water is hot, cover your head with a towel and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. This method is very effective. Helps clear the nose immediately, reduces nasal congestion, and thins mucus in the sinuses. Should be done regularly for 5 to 7 days to see the effect. Method 2. Ginger juice and purple onion drops in the nose. Ingredients are the same as Method 1, including 1 fresh ginger root and 2 to 3 purple onions. How to do? After washing the ginger and purple onions, crush or grind them to get the juice. Then squeeze out the juice and discard the pulp. Use a cotton swab to absorb the ginger and purple onion juice solution. Then drop 1 to 2 drops into the nose at a time. With this method, after dropping, you need to tilt your head back for about 2 minutes to let the solution penetrate the sinuses, then gently blow your nose. Uses: antibacterial, reduces inflammation and clears mucus in the nose. General notes when applying sinus treatment with these two methods are: should be combined with nasal hygiene with saline and performed regularly for 5 to 7 consecutive days to see results. 2. Honey pickled garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound with strong antibiotic properties that can inhibit the growth of many types of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Allicin is released when garlic is chopped or crushed, helping to clear the respiratory tract and reduce infections. Meanwhile, honey is a natural antioxidant that contains enzymes and reducing agents that can kill bacteria and soothe inflamed tissues, fighting infections. The combination of garlic and honey creates a remedy that many people use to help fight chronic sinusitis. Here is the most detailed way to prepare and use garlic and honey to treat sinusitis. Ingredients include 10 fresh garlic cloves, 100 milliliters pure honey, 1 clean glass jar. Instructions: peel the garlic, wash it, then crush or thinly slice it. Next, we need to put the garlic in a clean glass jar and pour honey in so that it covers the garlic. Cover and leave in a cool place for 5 to 7 days. There are 2 ways to use it: drink or massage. For drinking, every morning from 1 to 2 teaspoons can be mixed with warm water to make it easier to drink. For massage, we apply it to the skin under the nose and massage gently. Be persistent in using it for about 7 to 8 days, and the patient will see clear results. The uses of this method are: strengthen the immune system, help the body fight bacteria that cause sinusitis, help reduce inflammation and clear mucus in the nose. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an effective treatment for sinusitis that helps reduce inflammation, clear phlegm, and thin mucus in the nose, thereby effectively supporting the treatment of sinusitis. Apple cider vinegar can be made at home by fermenting apples naturally with sugar and water. Here is a simple way to make apple cider vinegar. Ingredients include 1 kilogram of apples, red apples, green apples are fine, 100 g of sugar, 1.5 to 2 liters of filtered water, 1 large glass jar. How to make apple cider vinegar. Step 1. Wash the apples, then cut them into thin slices or pomegranate seeds, keeping the skin and seeds intact to help the fermentation process better. Step 2. Put sugar in a glass jar, pour in water, and stir well to dissolve the sugar. Next, you need to add apples to the jar so that it is covered with water, but not too full because the apples will ferment and create foam. Step 3. Ferment the apples. Use a thin cloth or clean towel to cover the mouth of the jar. Tie a rubber band to prevent insects from flying in. Place the jar in a cool place at a temperature of about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. After 3 weeks, the apples will ferment and form vinegar. When the mixture has a slight vinegar smell, filter out the apple pulp, keeping only the vinegar water for use. Here are some ways to use apple cider vinegar to treat sinusitis. Method 1. Drink apple cider vinegar mixed with warm water. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into 200 milliliters of warm water. Drink 1 to 2 times a day, best in the morning. Uses: helps clean the sinuses, reduce phlegm, and boost immunity. Method 2. Steam your nose with apple cider vinegar. Boil 500 milliliters of water. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Next, you just need to pour the water into a large bowl. Bend your face about 30 centimeters away from the bowl. Cover your head with a towel to steam. Steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Do it 2 to 3 times/week. Its uses: helps thin mucus, clear the nose, and disinfect. Method 3. Rinse your nose with apple cider vinegar and salt water. Prepare 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 250 milliliters of saline. Use a syringe or nasal wash bottle to rinse each nostril. You need to do it once a day to help clean the sinuses. This way, bacteria will be completely removed, clean the nose, and reduce nasal congestion. Apple cider vinegar is an effective sinus treatment ingredient. Those who are suffering from sinusitis should apply it immediately. Note: sinusitis is an inflammation or infection of the sinuses, the hollow cavities in the skull bone around the nose, causing symptoms such as nasal congestion, runny nose, headache, facial pain. The disease can be acute, occurring in a short time, or chronic, lasting more than 12 weeks. When using sinusitis treatments, you need to combine them with a healthy diet and drink plenty of water for better results. If sinusitis persists or symptoms become severe, remember to see a doctor. Please subscribe to welcome similar videos on the Be Health channel. If you find the video useful, please share it with everyone. Wish you good health and happiness, and see you in the next videos. I love you.